it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Paper Craft Secrets. The lovely people over at Craft Stash have sent me some jelly roll gel pens to play with. This is one set of the jelly roll gel pens by Sakura that Craft Stash have sent me. Inside this set there are the Stardust jelly pens. They are the ones that have this little star, shooting star on the lid. There's also the metallic range, which is these glittery lids over here. And then there's the Moonlight range, and these have a little moon and a star on the lid cap. There's 24 gel pens in this pack. I had a lovely time colouring with these. Let's take a look at what I did. Thank you for joining me while I coloured this beautiful lady with her crazy arty hair. It was so relaxing to just sit and focus and colour. The Sakura jelly pens are available at Craft Stash. It's an online store. I had a lovely time colouring with these jelly roll pens. I didn't use every single colour, I just chose ones that I thought would go well together. Stay tuned for more videos on my channel with these Sakura jelly roll pens. I can't wait to colour my next project. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.